In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the changes that have been made to your files here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a single spreadsheet with other people, maybe collaborators, coworkers, and you want to see the updates or the changes that have been done on that spreadsheet, here's how to do it. First, as a whole, you can see any changes or edits that have been made by going to your version history right here at the top. So in your version history, it will show you all the changes that have been done, what changes were made, who made it, time, date, all that. So let's go to our version history right here. That's this icon. And if you click on it, here we have it. So the latest change would be some additional data right here that has been added to your spreadsheet. And again, maybe this one right here and this one right here. So we have a total of 4 edits. And you're going to see more details on these as you go to this part right here where it says edit 1 out of 4. So right now, the first edit that has been done would be this one right here. Next one would be your tax column. If we go down, we have this part right here, which is the product names. And the final one would be the additional product details, which is the brand and the description. If you want to explore on more of these changes, you can go to this one right here, where you will see the original data, which is probably just adding this bunch of data. So again, you have the date, time, and the person that have made those changes. And that's the color pertaining to that person. So whoever made those changes will have a different color corresponding to their name with changes that they have made on this spreadsheet. If we go back and you've just noticed something different and you want to see what changed with that cell, what you can do is to show the edit history for that cell. So if I go to this cell right here, right click on it and select show edit history, when I click on that, it will tell me that this has been added to that. But before that, this has been deleted. And again, it has been added. So we have add, delete, and added. So those were 3 edits in total. And if you have more, you can always navigate through these edits by going to the previous one or to the next one. Let's go to another one, maybe this one right here. So if I right click on that, again, select show edit history, click on it. The first edit, which would be when they added this text right here, then it was replaced with this one, replaced with Greek yogurt, and again, replaced with Icelandic skyr yogurt. And there you have it. So with these navigations of previous edits or next edit, you'll see the changes that have been made on that specific cell. And there you have it. So those were the 2 ways on how you can view the changes that were made to your files here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.